Hey Manatees, are you pursuing a STEM career? If so, the Tampa Bay Bridge to Baccalaureate TB-B2B program at SCF is calling your name. This free program offers student services to support you with academic, financial aid, and career resources while you earn a degree in STEM. This program also offers hands-on learning experiences in the STEM fields through research and internship opportunities and a cohort model encouraging collaboration and camaraderie. B2B participants have completed exciting internships like the program at Mote Marine Laboratorium and Aquarium, New College of Florida's Seagrass Habitat Restoration Project, and undergraduate research on solar cells. New and returning students can apply online at TampaBayB2B.com. For questions, visit SCF.edu/B2B or email me at singern@scf.edu. We look forward to seeing you on campus in the B2B study room or online.